Hey, 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 and welcome to day 7 of our 7-day financial setup challenge for 2024. How exciting! We have made it all the way to day 7. Today is the 14th of January at the time of this recording. And right now it's about 2, just after 2, almost 3 p.m. in the afternoon. And I'm recording this on today, 14th of January. And I'm so excited because we have gone through so much content in the last 7 days. And I still feel like there is much more to do. So have a little gift for you at the end. It's like a challenge that keeps giving. So, but I will talk more about that at the end. Today, we are on day 7, which is on section 7, and we are talking about insurance investigations. And this is one of the topics where most people feel like insurance is a luxury and, they have many things to be thinking about, but I want to talk about it. So let's get to it. So, day 7. So, if you've got your workbook, please bring it out and let's go through our reflection questions. Today, we want to set ourselves up in the area of insurance for 2024. We want to make sure that if we do have insurance, that it's still relevant. And if we don't, we want to know how to make sure that the questions to ask and things that we need to know in order to set it up. And maybe you don't even know what insurance is or why it's even important. So I'll just have a quick run through. I have done some previous trainings, in-depth trainings on insurance. So I will actually send to your private email if you want those trainings in depth. So send me a reply, an email at elizabeth@wealthandlittle.com, and I will reply you with links to those trainings if you want those trainings. As just before we get into it, just to let you know, one of the reasons why I am passionate about insurance is because I have experienced its benefits in my family, and I've experienced when it wasn't there and how that cost us financially. And and for a long time, I was actively a financial advisor, so I was working with people, explaining to them benefits of insurance and helping them set this up for themselves. Okay, so what is insurance? Insurance, it's a service, right? It's a service that you pay that protects you from financial loss. For example, the one we all know, which is like a legal requirement, is car insurance, and it kind of protects you. So if you have an accident, the insurance should kick in and should help you fix your car at minimal cost, right? So it's like a safety net just in case something bad happens, more or less. And there are a few main types of insurance. There's life insurance, which pays money to your family if you pass away, and it helps take care of them after you're gone. There's health insurance, which covers doctor's visits, medicines, hospital stays, and other medical care. It pays for these expenses too, so you don't really have to. There's car and auto insurance, and this pays to fix your car if you get into an accident, like we discussed, or if it's damaged. And it also covers like injuries to other people. There's home insurance, which I'm sure many people might have. This repairs or rebuilds your home if there's like damage or something like fire or storm. Mm, and it also covers like stolen items. There's income insurance that protects you if you fall sick and you're not getting paid. And insurance can be quite helpful. There's also, critical health insurance, there is disability insurance, multiple types of insurance. There's business insurance as well. So insurance helps in a few key ways. You avoid paying all the costs if something bad happens. Insurance shares the cost more or less. It gives you like that peace of mind knowing that that thing is taken care of, or you will be taken care of depending on what you're protecting. It prevents big money problems. So you won't lose your home, your car, your business, if something like that should come up, if something unexpected. Um, and your family will be provided for if you pass away. So this is kind of really important, especially if you have young children. So what is insurance? Insurance is a service that protects you by sharing the risk and saving you money in emergencies or disasters. And I'm talking about major emergencies, right? Or disasters. So now, insurance reflections. I'm going to go through this, and I know this reflections and the checklist. This is not the end. This is just the start for you. I don't want you to say, oh well, I've gone through the questions, I've gone through the checklist, and I'm sorted. No, it's not the end. It's literally the start of the conversation. So if you do feel like, oh, I do need more support in this area, I want you to reach out and let me know. I can put you in contact with financial advisors that are very good in this area, people that I have worked with and I can vouch for. So question one, have you reviewed your current insurance coverage recently? If you do have any form of insurance, please get out the paperwork and just review it. Make sure that everything is still, aligned, that everything aligns with your current needs and your current circumstances. What are your top priorities for insurance coverage, right? And think about that. Is it health? Is it property, valuables? What matters to you and your family? Or maybe it's providing for your family should you be, something happen to you. Third question, how confident do you feel about your insurance ability to provide financial support in case of unexpected events? Now, many of us have, just because we're trying to save money here or there, we may go for packages that have small print added. Now, you make sure that you know the small print, make sure you know the limitations of your insurance, coverage, and make sure that you are confident that it will pay out should anything happen, right? Number 4, reflect on the balance between premium costs and coverage benefits. Are you getting the best value for your money? And what I mean by premium costs is how much you pay each month for what you are being protected for, and the coverage benefits. What exactly are you getting at the end, right? So you want to make sure that averages that you want to make sure that it's the best value for your money, ensuring both affordability and adequate protection. The fifth question is, have there been any significant life changes since you last reviewed your insurance? Reflect on events like marriage, birth of a child or birth of a new child, a new home or an additional home, as this may all impact your coverage needs, right? So you want to think about that. Have you had a new child? Do you need to increase your life insurance coverage because now you have a new child to take care of? Have you moved houses? Have you just bought a house? Do you have more property? Do you have more things that you need to cover? You want to look into that. So your action plan is to review your insurance coverage, including your life insurance, health insurance, property insurances, and ensure that the coverage aligns with your current life stage and needs, right? It's a very simple action plan. If you have insurance now, review it, make sure it aligns. If you don't have insurance, then start looking into it. See if there's a budget for it, and then start looking at what you need based on who you are in your life, do you need to cover. If you need help with this, please reach out, and let's talk. To do task checklist, right? So there are a few things that I want you to do to complete this section of the challenge. Schedule time to thoroughly review your existing insurance policies. Take notes of coverage limits, deductibles, and any exclusions. Explore other insurance options in the market. Compare quotes, coverage details to ensure you're getting the most suitable, cost-effective policies. If applicable, check and update beneficiaries listed in your life insurance policies and ensure it reflects your current wishes and family circumstances. Identify any potential gaps in your current coverage. Consider additional policies or riders that could address these gaps and enhance your overall policies of your overall protection. Then, if needed, schedule a meeting with an insurance advisor. If you need help with this, again, reach out to me. I have a bank of well-qualified insurance advisors that I truly trust. And this is the notes section where you can write the notes of your reflection questions. And with that, we've come to the end of the 7-day challenge, but I don't want it to end there. So I have created a bonus section. So there are 2 extra topics in the bonus section. First is continuous learning, and I've got some questions for you. Not many, just a couple, and a couple of tasks. And the second is section 9, which is regular financial check-ins. And again, I got 2 more questions, just a couple of questions, and just 3 extra checklists. So it's not much extra, but it's so important that you continue this journey even on your own, even if you don't have anyone with you. So with regards to continuous learning, your action plan has to do with financial education. I want you to dedicate time to continuously reading, continuously listening, continuously taking courses that keep expanding your financial knowledge, that keep helping you grow your money, helping you grow your wealth, helping you understand the things that you need to do in the society that you live in, so that you can take the most advantage of the financial economy that you are operating in. And the financial check-ins is so important because we constantly have to review all the things that we have been, or everything that we're doing. We can't just, it's not a one done and dusted thing, right? It's a constant review. Okay. So so your action plan for the regular financial check-ins is for you to schedule regular review meetings with yourself, really. And just so that you can adjust your plan, you can celebrate your milestones along the way, and you can make sure that you're still on track to getting, to getting the to achieving the financial goals that you want for yourself. I hope that helps. I hope the whole challenge has been helpful for you. It has been helpful for me because I've been going through all the questions myself every day along with you. So I just want you to know that, you're not in this alone. Okay. And so with that, we've come to the end of 2024 financial challenge. Keep working through this. It's not something that is done and dusted. It's something we keep on working on every single, constantly. We don't slow down. We keep growing, we keep improving. I'll see you, and I'll see you. I said I'll see you. I'm not seeing you, but I'll be in your email soon. Okay. Bye.